We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Chinese brand that is so often mispronounced by many English speakers it's actually scary, while it's very simple to get it right and you will. This is a smartphone and electronics company founded in April 2010 and headquartered in Beijing, China, whose flagship phones currently include the Poco series, the Mi 10 or Mi Note 10 for example. If you are surprised to learn that this word actually means little rice in Chinese, why would you name a smartphone brand like this? If you are surprised, give this video a quick like and let us know in the comments why the heck they named this brand this way. Anyhow, how do you go about pronouncing this name? So many people say Xiaomi. It's kind of scary and sad perhaps. Why do you say Xiaomi while the Chinese word, this word is pronounced in Chinese Xiaomi. Xiaomi. It's pretty simple, right? Xiaomi, not Xiaomi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce brand names from China and elsewhere whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. See you there to learn more.